Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is signed in and you're on a reliable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids interrupted downloads. Then, plug the iPhone into power so the transfer won't stop. Open Settings, tap Photos, and enable iCloud Photos. This tells your device to sync. Once done, choose Download and keep originals if you want full-res files stored locally. Otherwise, pick Optimize iPhone storage to save space while keeping accessible versions. Now wait a few minutes for the initial. Once the sync is running, open the Photos app and scroll through moments. The app prioritizes what you view, so scrolling forces downloads first. If a thumbnail shows a cloud icon, tap the photo to open it full screen. That action triggers a direct download. For many images, tap Select, pick a group, then share and choose Save Image to ensure a local file is created in your library. Make sure Background App Refresh is on so photos can continue downloading when not in the foreground. You finish by verifying photos open without the cloud badge. Tap several full screen to confirm full resolution loads locally. If items still remain cloudy, restart the iPhone and check settings your name iCloud Photos again. As a stronger step, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes the sync. Also ensure iOS is up to date and that you have enough iCloud and device storage. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Photos off then back on to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.